Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the Forex market with actionable insights. Today is Friday, December 13, 2024, and we're diving into how the major currencies performed this week, what's driving the market right now, and what to look out for as we head into the next workday. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this video will give you a roadmap to navigate the markets confidently. Alright, let's kick things off by looking at how the major currency pairs moved today. The euro to US dollar showed strong bullish momentum, closing above 1.0900. This surge came on the heels of higher-than-expected industrial production data out of Germany. Meanwhile, the US dollar to Japanese yen slipped below 135.50, with traders reacting to comments from the Bank of Japan hinting at possible policy adjustments heading into 2025. Zooming in on the euro to US dollar, this pair has been riding a wave of optimism, especially after dovish signals from the Federal Reserve earlier this week. Today's movement solidified its weekly gain of about 1.2%, making it one of the standout performers in the G10 space. Now, if you're watching this pair closely, keep an eye on the 1.0930 level. It's the next key resistance point. If we see a breakout, it could set the stage for even more upside next week. Switching over to the US dollar to Japanese yen, today's drop wasn't entirely unexpected. The yen has been finding support as global bond yields ease. And let's not forget, the Bank of Japan's governor has been vocal about inflation dynamics, which is pushing the market to price in some policy normalization. For Monday, watch how this pair reacts to US retail sales data scheduled for release. A weaker-than-expected number could put additional pressure on the dollar. Now, let's talk about emerging market currencies because they've been a wild card this week. The South African rand gained nearly 2% against the dollar after the central bank left rates unchanged but struck a more hawkish tone. On the other hand, the Turkish lira continues to struggle, hitting fresh record lows despite intervention rumors. If you're trading yen pairs, keep your risk tight. These currencies are sensitive to any shifts in global risk sentiment, and Monday's economic calendar is packed with data that could shake things up. Alright, let's move on to the technical setups. Starting with the pound sterling to US dollar, the pair is showing signs of consolidation around 1.2750. The 200-day moving average is acting as a strong support level here. However, RSI indicators are nearing overbought territory, so we might see some profit-taking early next week. If you're trading this pair, consider placing tight stops and monitoring for any break below 1.2700. The Aussie dollar also deserves a mention. The Australian dollar to US dollar edged higher today, closing around 0.6500. The pair benefited from stronger-than-expected Chinese trade data, which boosted commodities and risk-on sentiment. But let's not ignore the fact that Australia's jobs report comes out next week. If the data disappoints, we could see the Aussie test the 0.6450 support level. Looking ahead to Monday, December 16, 2024, here's what's on the radar. First, the US retail sales report will give us insight into consumer spending as the holiday season ramps up. Next, the Eurozone will release CPI data, which could either reinforce or challenge the ECB's current stance. And lastly, watch for any geopolitical developments over the weekend. We're in a volatile market environment, and unexpected headlines can move the needle quickly. So, that's your snapshot of today's Forex market and what's ahead. Remember, trading isn't just about the charts, it's about understanding the broader context. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And as always, drop your questions or trade ideas in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, happy trading, and have a great weekend.